What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. Today I wanted to do an unboxing that's a little bit different, but I can assure you it's very cool. And a lot of people out there necessarily don't live in a home that has a proper hood that, you know, sucks out smoke so your house doesn't get, or apartment doesn't get a ton of smoke in there and activates the fire alarm. So the reason why I want to try out this grill is because I'm in that situation and I want to see if this actually works. Now, this is a very pricey indoor grill. So this is a $300 smokeless grill, and what's unique about this one is that it uses infrared technology. So it doesn't use actual fire that creates the smoke. So we're gonna see how that's gonna work, but today I just wanted to do an unboxing to showcase it for you and you can get a better look at it. And over the next few weeks, I'm gonna be testing it out. I'm gonna be cooking some delicious steak and grilling some veggies with it, and I'm gonna be making sure to document everything that I'm doing so you can see it in my review video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Starting off with some key features that you get with this grill is the smokeless infrared heat technology, like I mentioned already. It is easy to clean. It has a non-stick, easy to clean grid. It has a quick two-part setup. It collects all the grease in one place. It is PTFE-free grid accessory that is included with it. I'm gonna write exactly what PTFE means because I can't pronounce the chemical, but I will write it up on the screen so you can see it right there. And it is also instant heat because it does use infrared. And finally, it is dishwasher safe. So I'm gonna be testing out all these features to make sure it is actually delivering on these all these features. And let's get to the unboxing. So starting off with the unboxing. There you have the grill. So let's see what you get for a $300 grill. First, you got the recipe booklet. So this just shows you how to properly cook, for example, a Brazilian barbecue style beef. And it shows you that in different languages, so in French and Spanish. So pretty neat. First impressions though is this instruction manual, this user manual. I don't like the material. I feel like we're back in the 1990s with this. I don't know. It's just, I don't know if you can see the material of it. It's like a cheap paper. I know it's not a big deal. Nobody's gonna really take a look at this more than once or twice, but still, I mean, how much would have been the cost for you to use like a glossy white paper for that user manual? So I don't really like that so far. But yeah, so then the other accessories you get is the two different grids. So starting off with this grid. So this is the grilling grid. So you place that on top of here. We're gonna remove the carton of that in a sec. And that is meant for grilling. So I'm gonna put that to the side again. And then the other piece of accessory you get, they call this the barbecue grid, okay? So there are two different attachments you can attach to this grill based on what you're cooking and based on your preference. So I like that, that's very good. So let us rip apart all of this. Okay, there you have it. So here you can now attach the different grids. So you see, that is that. Now let's power it on. Take a look at it when it's powered on. So once you connect the power outlet, here is your power settings. So of course this is off, and then this is to keep warm. So the second one is to keep warm. You're gonna see right now once I turn it on, you're gonna see right here. And now we're gonna go from keep warm to turn it fully on. As you can see, this is fully on. So now you can go back to warm and then off. And as you can see right there, from keep warm to on, it's instant and you can feel it instantly. So that is already very impressive. Let's turn everything off. Now let me show you the drip tray. So like I mentioned earlier in the feature overview, this is a two-part grill. So on top you have the actual barbecue or grill grid that you place up here. And then at the bottom you have the drip tray. So all the fat, all the juices that drips from the steak or meat or whatever you're cooking drips onto this drip tray right here. And this is dishwasher friendly. So you can wash it, and then once you're done, you slide it at the bottom, and there you go. So this seems like a very straightforward grill. It doesn't seem that intimidating to a person who's new to this whole concept of an indoor grill. So let's turn the smokeless grill on. So this setting is for it to keep warm. So right now it's warm, and then the other setting is now super high. I don't know if you can see that. Let me turn off the lights so you can get a better look. But that is when it's very high and it's now fully on activated. This is to keep it warm. As you can tell, it calms down a lot, and this is off. So first impressions, I can definitely see when it says that it's instant, it's definitely instant, because when you turn this all the way on, like right now, it is brutal. And oh my God, it is really hot. So I guess that are the pros. These are the pros of the infrared, of going with a grill like this for that price point. But I'm gonna do a more in-depth review on this grill. So you can then add this and you can begin grilling. Turn on the lights again so you can get a better look. Yeah, you can already, I don't even. Believe it or not, the grill is actually, the grid is actually very warm. So it is very quick to heat whatever you're gonna have on there, whatever meat, veggies, anything, it's gonna heat it and it's gonna grill it very quickly. So far, first impressions, I think this is a great grill. I am looking forward to playing around with it and getting to, cook different types of food with it. Again, like I said earlier, I will document everything so you can see how it works. And yeah, so this has been the unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. And if you have any questions about this grill, or if you have any comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. I always try to respond to my comments. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Take care.